All right, you can see here's the canvas with the bamboo slices. You can see lots of bamboo slices. Those are just you can see here, just put here parallelly, one with another one, and these two are the verticals. And this is how I just make a DIY painting canvas here. So I'm using the red colors for the tree leaves here because it's the springtime, and you can see the springtime, so lots of colorful the branches here on the top. So it's going to be a forest, so that's why you can see the color variations on the top. Usually the canvas, which is the unconventional, I'll say that it's not the traditional canvas. So the brush strokes here will be a little bit different from the traditional canvases. Okay, all right, and a few drops you can see in the border. For the rules of perspective, the things which is closer at us, there's going to be a bigger scale, and the things which are little bit distance from us, there's going to be in a smaller scale. So that's the main idea of the perspective. I'm putting the fallen leaves on the ground, you can see here. Okay, all right, so taking the black color to draw the branches of the trees, you can see. Mm-hmm. Different branches for the lots of trees here. So the branches are looking in a darker color, you can see here, and also the leaves are going to be the dark red color. So as you can see, the tree is going in a far distance. The branches and all the main trunks of the trees are getting little bit smaller within the distance. So I'm using the rules of perspective here. In another distance, I'm just drawing more smaller version here. Okay, so some trees you can see it visible in another distance, and you can see in the inside of the grasslands. All right, so the drawing is in progress, and there's the beauty of the drawing. So you can see the trees. Mm-hmm. Some has the special types of branches, or some are like the traditional tree lines. Mm-hmm. Here just putting some black colors. So that goes on for the end of the lines. So there's the lines for the jungles here. Mm-hmm. The bushes here, just put some few brush strokes with the red that defines the dark bushes at the ground. Also putting the brush strokes here with the red one in the bottom to show the bushes. Okay, on the top you can see the bushes. The tree leaves here are prominent on the top. Mm-hmm. Top with a black color we can do the some outlines here for the deeper shades on the top, just making it a real one. So that's the main beauty of the painting. You can do like your imaginations and the drawings in a different perspectives, different presentations, and overall everything just comes out very nice. Okay, So now we can use the green color for the road works. You can see I'm just putting the horizontal strokes for the green colors here, just making the pathways little bit clear. Mhm. All right, little bit clear. Also putting the pathways here on the right side. So you can see the pathways is like the greeneries. Mhm. And few greens on the top. Mhm. Okay. So that was the selections of the colors. You can see the mountain path is nicely visible in a far distance. In a close scenery, you don't have a clearer idea of the scenario, but in a far distance, you can see the nice presentations here. Okay. Now we can use the the yellow color and mix up the whole color combinations here. Let's see how does it looks here. Okay, so putting the yellow in the middle just to define the road. Mm-hmm. So there's the variations of the tree lines in the jungle and the colors. Just mixing up the colors on the top. Okay. Sometimes you can mix it up with the water to make the colors dissolve at the bottom. Can make some little variations. Okay. So we're just working on it, adding some waters at the bottom to show the bushes little bit deeper. Mm-hmm. Okay, so now along the the roadside we're just putting little bit color. It just works like the watercolor, so making it little deeper. Also on the right side, just to define the borders of the road, just adding the little bit water. Okay, so it's a deep dark jungle and the road in the middle. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.